Unlock the power of Blender, a beginner's journey to mastery. Welcome to the world of Blender, where creativity knows no bounds. As a beginner, you're about to embark on an epic adventure to become a 3D master. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the ultimate guide to getting started and becoming a pro. Getting started, the spark of creation. Ignite your journey by familiarizing yourself with Blender's intuitive interface. Learn the secrets of navigation, orbit, pan, and zoom like a pro. Understand the magic of scenes, objects, and meshes. Modeling, shaping your vision. Unleash your creativity with simple shapes, cubes, spheres, and cylinders. Master the art of modifiers. Stack and combine for complex shapes. Sculpt like a pro. Bring your organic shapes to life. Texturing and materials. Adding depth and realism. Unlock the power of materials. Create and assign with ease. Texture like a pro. Enhance your models with stunning textures. Understand shaders. Unlock the secrets of realistic rendering. Lighting and rendering. Bringing your scene to life. Illuminate your world. Master lighting basics and setups. Practice makes perfect. Experiment with lighting scenarios. Render like a pro. Understand settings and optimization. Animation. Breathing life into your creations. Keyframe like a pro. Create and manipulate with ease. Animate with confidence. Bring your objects and scenes to life. Master physics simulations. Add realism to your animations. Tips, tricks, and resources. Follow tutorials and online courses to fuel your growth. Join the Blender community. Connect, learn, and share. Practice regularly. Personal projects and experimentation. Learn from others. Analyze and improve your skills. Unlock your potential. Embrace the journey, and let Blender be your canvas for creativity. 1. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Understand the layout, menus, and tools. 2. Learn basic navigation, orbit, pan, and zoom in 3D space. 3. Understand the concept of scenes, objects, and meshes. Modeling. 1. Start with simple shapes. Learn to create and manipulate basic shapes like cubes, spheres, and cylinders. 2. Use modifiers. Understand how to apply and stack modifiers to create complex shapes. 3. Practice sculpting. Use Blender's sculpting tools to create organic shapes. Texturing and materials. 1. Learn about materials. Understand how to create and assign materials to objects. 2. Use textures. Learn to apply and manipulate textures to enhance your models. 3. Understand shaders. Learn about different shaders and how to use them. Lighting and rendering. 1. Understand lighting basics. Learn about light types, intensity, and color. 2. Practice lighting setups. Experiment with different lighting scenarios. 3. Learn about rendering. Understand the rendering process and settings. Animation. 1. Understand keyframe animation. Learn to create and manipulate keyframes. 2. Practice animating objects. Animate simple objects and scenes. 3. Learn about physics simulations. Understand how to use Blender's physics engine. Tips and tricks. 1. Watch tutorials and online courses. 2. Join the Blender community and forums. 3. Practice regularly and work on personal projects. 4. Learn from others' work and share your own. 5. Experiment and have fun. Resources. 1. Blender official tutorials. A comprehensive tutorial series. 2. Blender Guru. A popular tutorial website. 3. CG Geek. A YouTube channel with in-depth tutorials. 4. Blender Nation. A community-driven blog with news, tutorials, and resources. Remember, becoming a pro in Blender takes time, patience, and dedication. Stay motivated, keep practicing.